Welcome back to another BFF 4 for More workout. Today we are just going to use a resistance band and we're going to work our upper body. So we have 4 exercises. You're going to do 15 reps of each for 3 rounds. You will get 60-second rest in between each round. So I want you to do all 4 exercises with no break in between, and then you'll get your 60-second rest and then go back into those 4 exercises. Okay? So I'm going to tell you the 4 exercises, show you how to do them, and then I'm going to let you do it. All right? So the first one is a squat press. So what we're going to do is you're going to stand on the band. So you want handled bands. So stand on the band, not too wide of a footing, just depends on your strength and your shoulders, and then spread it out. So you want your feet right past your hips, toes barely turned out, and we're going to bring our hands up, palms facing out, shoulders back and down, pelvis under. So we're going to start with our squat. So booty back, squat down, push those knees out, just touch, squat, and then push up, all the way up, keeping your arms by your ears. So you're going to come down and up, squeeze those glutes at the top, push, and up. Okay, so that is your first exercise. Your second one, we got 2 exercises in one. So you're still gonna stand on the band, so let me get back on it. Your feet about shoulder width apart, and shoulders back, okay? So we're going to do an upright row to a bicep curl. So you're starting here, palms are facing you on this one, and we're gonna bring your elbows straight up, elbows up, come back down, flip your hands around to the palms outward, keep your arms next to your body, so your elbows like in your rib cage, shoulders are still back, bring it on up, back down, flip it back over, upright, and bicep. Upright row, bicep curl, elbows up, elbows in your rib cage, up and up. So 15 of those, and then we're going to go and wrap this around like a tree or something. So you're gonna make it high, so wrap it around. Put the handles through each other, because we're only gonna use the one side. Make it tight. Okay, so this is a wood chop. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna stand, good posture, feet about hip width apart. We're gonna have both hands on the handle. So you're gonna start here, keep your hips facing forward, twist through your abs, shoulders facing that way. You're starting in this position. This leg is going to twist. We're gonna come and bring this diagonally down. Twist it down, back up, down, and up. Just going straight down with it. Now don't lock out your elbows. Keep a slight bend in your elbow. Abs are tight, and there. And then you're gonna twist to turn around and do the other side. Down and up, down and up. So you remember to twist those feet around. You don't want any weirdness going on with your ankles. So twist those feet as you go down, okay? So 15 on each side. Next is our last one. Okay, our last one is going to be an overhead tricep extension. So I'll get a little bit closer for this one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold on to the band at the top, put your arm behind you, grab the other end of the band. Now make it as tight as you can to hold on to this, because you really want to work those triceps. Keep your arm by your ear, nice good posture. Come up, all the way up, back down, all the way up and down. Now you can do this seated as well, but you can also do this standing. So either way is perfectly fine. Just keep a good posture either way. So there's one arm, then you'll just switch it out, switch it here and here. Same thing, up and down. And if it's too hard to hold on up here, loosen it up a little bit, and that'll help you lessen up the resistance. Okay, so there you go. That is your 4 exercises for a good upper body workout today. You got 3 rounds to do, 15 reps of every exercise. So let me know in the comments how you did and what you thought about using the resistance band for your upper body today. Now on Thursday, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do lower body. So what we're gonna use on Thursday our mini band. So we're gonna do an up lower body exercise using one of these small mini bands. So if you have one of these, they are awesome to add into your regimen. So I'll show you that on Thursday. Until then, have a happy and healthy day. And don't forget to subscribe either.